What's up guys, welcome to my channel, Pioneer Universal channel. Today we got a problem with a Volvo V50 1.8 and it's the same motor in Ford, Suzuki and Mazda. The problem is high idle problem. The car had a problem with high idling. It's start like 3000 RPM at the startup, then goes down to 1500 RPM constantly. I connected the diagnostic program to my car and I got the following fault codes: P0403 EGR valve and P2135 throttle body position sensor. I took out the EGR valve from the car. I cleaned it from carbon with a carbon cleaner. Then I was thinking about the electricity of this EGR. Maybe it was faulty. Then I was looking on some wiring diagrams and I found that I can measure the resistance between the 6 pins in the EGR valve. And it was like, as it's shown here, it's like the resistance between 1 and 2 should be like 14 ohm. The resistance between 2 and 3 should show like 14.1 ohm, and between 4 and 5 should be like 14 ohm. 5 and 6 should be like 14.2 ohm. And here, as you see, the pins, the 6 pins for the EGR valve. The next step was cleaning the throttle body. Then I cleared the fault codes with a computer and put everything back in the car and started the car, but I get shocked that it was the same problem, high idling again. Then I started to think maybe it's like leaking some air in, and then I found the final solution. Yes, I was checking every pipe and every hose in the engine and I couldn't find anything. Then I was reading here and there and I decided to take out the manifold of the car, see if it's cracked or something on it. Then it's like, you know, 7 bolts in the top and one last bolt in the bottom. And don't forget to take out the oil stick, where it's like 2 bolts, because it's standing away. You can take it first and then you can take out the manifold. When I took out the manifold, I was examining it and it's shown here in the pictures. If you see the picture here in the middle, you see that the hose is complete, but if you twist it as the picture to the right, then you see it's like torn or cracked. Then I took out this hooves and I changed it with a new one. Then I put everything back together in the car and I cleared the fault codes and I started the car and it's working. It's, you know, it's started like on 1500, then it's dropped like to 800 after like 5 minutes when the engine started to get warm, and the problem is fixed, and that's good. And this is why I was thinking to share it with you. Maybe somebody else have the same problem. If you like this video and if you think that it's helpful, maybe you can support us with like and subscription. Thank you for watching and bye bye.